Alright, here's a really cool math trick that's going to let you divide absolutely any number you want by 5 without a calculator. We're going to take the number, we're going to double it, so 5,323 times 2. Well, 3 times 2 is just 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 again is 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. Now this part's going to be really easy. I just go to the last digit and I put a decimal in front of it, and that's it. My answer is 1064.6. Okay, there's no way that works for bigger numbers, right? Maybe this number was a fluke. Well, let's try it on 74,821. Again, I'm going to double the number, so 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 8 times 2 is 16, I'm going to write the 6, carry the 1, 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 that I carried is 9, and 7 times 2 is 14. Just like before, I'm going to put a decimal before the last digit, and there you go. 74,821 divided by 5 is 14,964.2. Don't believe me? Check your calculator. Let's try it on some outrageously large number. What about 1,273,946 divided by 5? Can we do this without a calculator? Absolutely. Let's double the number. 6 times 2 is 12. We keep the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 we carried is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, we keep the 8, we carry the 1. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 we carried is 7. 7 times 2 is 14, we're going to carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 we carried from before is 5. And finally, 1 times 2 is obviously 2, and here we have our number, but we've got to add that decimal before the last digit, and there we have it. Our answer is 254,789.2. Kind of cool that you can do all this without a calculator, isn't it? The reason it works is because dividing by 5 is the same as multiplying by 2 and then dividing by 10. Share this math trick with a friend you think might enjoy it.